This type of A3 is used for developing high-level goals and initiatives.
What is a strategy A3?
This Japanese word means sign or signboard.
What is Kanban?
The color coding and outlining tools as shown in this picture is an example of this S.
What is sort?
What is set in order?
To determine the required number of operators needed in a one-piece flow process, divide the total work content by this.
Takt time. Sorry, what is takt time?
Owner considered this waste to be the chief waste because it amplifies all of the others.
What is overproduction?
The 5 why analysis is used to determine this part of a problem.
What is the root cause?
Walking around to find something is an example of this waste.
What is the waste of motion?
A problem is defined as the gap between this and a target or standard condition.
What is the current condition?
The fifth S is about making 5S one of these.
What is a habit?
The A3 problem-solving process begins with this step.
What is clarify or define the problem?
Thanks. That is our show for today.